Hi, I am Jeff Nager. I am the head custodian supervisor for the Hilton Central School District. Here within the Hilton Central School District, it is very important for us to keep our schools clean and disinfected for our staff and students during this COVID-19 situation. In the following video, we will be describing our daily cleaning and disinfecting processes throughout classrooms, restrooms, and high touch points throughout a school day. In a classroom, upon entering, the student desks and chairs will be straightened to the proper socially distance of 6 feet if they have been moved throughout the school day. Sinks, dispensers, student desks, and chairs, along with horizontal surfaces and doorknobs, will be sprayed with a disinfectant using a static sprayer and let sit to allow the appropriate dwell time to be achieved for that product. Trash cans will be emptied by removing the liner and replacing with a clean one. We will pick up large debris from the floor with a broom and a lobby pan that are too heavy or inappropriate to be picked up with a vacuum cleaner. After disinfected surfaces have met their appropriate dwell time, respraying of drinking fountains, sinks, counters, student desks, and student chairs as necessary to have enough liquid to clean the surfaces and wipe until clean and free of streaks and water spots. Carpeted rooms will be vacuumed. Tiled floors will be dust mopped and then spot damp mopped. In a restroom, upon entering, the trash can will be emptied by removing the liner and replacing with a clean one. Sanitary receptacles will be checked, emptied, and disinfected. All other dispensers will be checked and refilled as needed. The floor will be swept with a broom and swept into a lobby pan. Disinfectant will be applied to all fixtures, sinks, counters, toilets, and flush valves with a trigger sprayer and allow the appropriate dwell time to be achieved for that product. Walls, partition, and other vertical and horizontal surfaces will be spot disinfected, including light switches, door handles, and door facings with a clean cloth and disinfectant. Toilets and urinals will be scrubbed with a bowl swab with its dedicated bucket of disinfectant cleaner and flushed to rinse the bowl. Counters, sinks, and dispensers will be wiped down after the proper allowed dwell time of the disinfectant product. Mirrors will be cleaned with a glass cleaner. Lastly, floors will be damp mopped out. In our hallways, entranceways, and stairwells, there will be high touch points that are disinfected several times throughout the school day. Using a disinfectant in a spray trigger bottle, along with a microfiber cloth, the disinfectant will be sprayed onto surfaces such as drinking fountains, door entrances of crash bars and door handles, stairwell railings, and other horizontal surfaces or ledges within halls and corridors, and then wiped clean and dry. Light switches will also be touched using a microfiber cloth with disinfectant sprayed onto the cloth or from a bucket of disinfectant solution. We hope that answers all of the questions about cleaning and disinfecting that will be occurring daily within the school. We wish to see everybody back very soon. Safe. Enjoy the rest of your summer.